So our crops have almost all been harvested since the vegetable season is over. We still have this pepper plant, and we have an example here of our soil. If you could take a close-up of that. And our soil is in very good shape, in very good condition. So we add some compost that we prepare here on our property. We compost our vegetable waste, and that is the only additive that we use to the soil. We add no herbicides or pesticides of any kind. We have a mixture of raised beds and flatter growing areas, and now in the late stages with weeds on them, so they will have to be prepped for next year when the season starts. There's a total, I believe, of 30 planting beds. We also have flowers, which are for our enjoyment, for the aesthetic pleasure of having all this beauty surround us. Okay, now let's take a look at irrigation. We don't use any irrigation. We have so far had sufficient rainfall, and we don't have any kind of irrigation set up. Then with the buffers, it's important to look to the east where that row of trees are. That is our primary buffer. There is a road on the other side of those trees. There are houses beyond that, and then there are conventional fields of corn and soybean on that side. On the west side, look this way, is the Delaware River, which is not visible from this vantage point, but obviously provides a very significant buffer. On the other side of the Delaware River, there is a state park, canals and houses, and there is no agricultural activity or spraying of any kind there. On the north side of our property, there are residential structures. There's 3 houses total, going up about half a mile. No spraying or any type of agricultural activity. And then to the south, we have a creek that runs past our farm store, which is this building here. And then we own the property on the south side of the creek as well, which currently serves as a pollinator field and is not being sprayed or being used in any agricultural activity. So that is an explanation of our buffers, which are quite extensive.